Let's go to Arya Restaurant and mag-try tayo ng masarap na pizza and appetizer. Dito lang yun. It's in the afternoon. Dito tayo sa loob pwesto. Ito ang orderin natin. Bocconcini Pipollo. 420. Marami yan. And margarita pizza at 450. Then tayo order rice. Hindi ko to mauubos dahil marami to. Ayan na ang pizza.
Pizza margarita, sir.
Thank you. Meron 26 flavors ng pizza Arya Wood Fire. Ito yung isang pinaka best seller nila, itong margarita. Very affordable din to at 450 lang. Wow, chili. Wow, nice. Thank you for this bocconcini. It's like a chicken nugget and I ordered that side thing. Lemon. Yeah. And init cup. Appetizer siya pero pwede mo rin gawing buy or food. Around 4 o'clock na. Maraming araw. Maganda ng view. Try natin itong margarita pizza. Wood fire bake. Wood fire. I can eat it like ganito lang. Gusto nga may chili oil. Homemade tong chili oil. Hindi naman sa ganung kaangkang. Sakto lang. Konting cake lang. Tama ko itong medyo spicy. Sobrang sarap nito. 450 pesos each slices. Actually, itong kinakain ko good for 2. Madali lang mahanap itong area. Ipagtanong nyo lang kahit kanino sa Boracay. And beachfront din ito. Ayan, tapos na tayong kumain sa area. Sarap, busog. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Arya also has a second floor hall with a great view and it's air conditioned as well. Where are you gonna go?